Michele, why do I have this beautiful mango in my hand?
Dennis, did you know?
Did I know what?
There is a right way and a wrong way to cut a mango.
Nah.
Yes.
Yes, what?
Let's go inside where it's cooler, and I'll show you how it's done.
Hey, you're gonna cut the mango.
Right. There's a long, skinny seed inside. You can kind of tell by the shape, how it's narrow and thick. So you have, first step is to find the stem, or where the stem was, and you're gonna cut along that ridge. To the side, about 1/4 of an inch. Miss it. Nope, that one. See, there it is right there. And you take a paring knife and you score it. Cube it. You can. Cut it out like that. Put a little lime juice and eat it right like that. Or use a spoon to scoop it out into a bowl. What's left over, you want to capture that meat, so you just slice this part around the seed. And you'll hear it. It sounds grainy. The skin is very tough. It's clear that the seed is right there.
So can you replant those?
I don't know.
Okay, cool.
We like ours sliced, so this is how I slice it. It's like filleting a fish, which is it is a lot. And you slice it.
Wow, Michele, that was really a good demonstration. It looked pretty easy.
Well, messy,
Messy?
but worth getting as much as you can from it.
Now you were saying something about you don't want to.
Oh yeah, you don't want to peel it first before you cut it, because then it's really messy.
Well, because it's slimy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's slippery.
Slippery. That's a good way.
Slimy. And so, well, that's it. Hey, if you like this little bit of dicing the mango at the adventures of
Michele.
and Dennis, let us know, and hey, share this video with somebody you love.
Oh! No, don't you dare! What?